Alright, so this company went ahead and sent me one of these to try it out. So, it came in this box here. We're not going to do unboxing. Obviously, it folds, and these things can be moved. Like, they're on hinges. So you can change the direction of this. It's kind of cool. And this is kind of neat for people who I have good lighting in this garage, but I have an attic where it has a bulb holder like this, one like this here. And what I'm going to do is I've got all this light in here where I have a lot of LEDs like this. So, but I'm going to go ahead and see how much brighter it is with this light to see if it'll work for my garage. It's a little hot to go up there right now. It's up in the attic in my garage, so I'll do that maybe a little bit later when it's cooler. But just for this review purpose, I want to hook it up and test it here. So maybe you have a garage that doesn't have fluorescent lighting in it, and maybe you just have a bulb holder. Maybe you're renting a place and you don't really want to upgrade the electrical. This might be a great solution. I really don't know the price. Check the link in the description, and it's got an Amazon link in there, and see if it seems like something might work for you. So anyway, let's try it out. I'm going to go ahead and throw that up there and see how it works. Anybody notice the difference? The sucker, look at that compared to even these. That thing is really bright. It lights up this whole area really good. So man, what a great, if you have one of these, like a bulb like this, this is actually not a very good bulb. This is like for decoration. That's what we had at the time. But if you want a little more lighting, this is a great solution. Especially, if you're looking for something you don't want to do an electrical upgrade. See, like what I did is I put these in. And I'll tell you the alternatives. So you can buy, these are LED, okay? But you have to have a place to plug them in. So my garage just so happens to have those cords. I put all that in here. So I have those boxes there, and I have run new wire and everything. Maybe, like I said, you're in a place where you're renting the place or whatever, you don't really want to do that. Maybe you just have a bulb holder like that, and you need some more light. Seems like it'd be a great solution. That's why when they offered me this, of course they always offer me things all the time, but I don't always take them. But when they offered me this, I thought, you know what, that would be a great solution for me. It even comes with one of these, so if you don't have one and you just were to add it on somehow, you could do that. So it's kind of cool, plastic thing, but it would work. So it's kind of a great little solution for some things, and maybe you'd be interested in one. All right, check it out, see how much it is. Again, I don't know how much it is. They just sent it to me for free just to try it out, and if it makes sense to you, you might want to pick one up on the Amazon link, and that'll help the channel out at the same time. All right, I'll talk to you in the next video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.